pocket in the Indian markets now. It's the pharma stocks. They have been buzzing in trade today. Sun Pharma, Lupin, Dr. Reddy's are the top nifty gainers with not much action in the other counters. And Ekta Batra joins us to tell us exactly why. Ekta, what's happening? Why are they so euphoric in an otherwise dull market?
Well, for Sun Pharma, the news is that the board is going to meet today or to consider buyback of the equity shares. Now, remember that with the board approval, the company can buy back around 10% of net worth, which would be around 2,200 crores. With shareholder approvals, it can be around 25% of net worth, so it comes to around 5,400 crores, which is around 3% of its market cap. Remember that Sun Pharma has enough and more cash on its books in order to fund the buyback, over $900 million, which is X of Taro. So that really wouldn't be a problem. But the trend that is really emerging in terms of pharma companies is either promoter buying or buybacks taking place. So for example, for Dr. Reddy's, there is that ongoing buyback. They've completed around 83% of the buyback at the end of last week. And even for Lupin, the promoters have been buying. In fact, the promoter buying has intensified in the month of June, where the total buying was around 1.24 million shares, of which 50% was just in the first 15 days of June. So it gives you a sense in terms of the trend which has been taking place within the pharma companies.
All right, promoter buyback.